राम राम सारियां नु। आज हम EMRS एकलव्य मॉडल रेजिडेंशियल स्कूल के हॉस्टल के एग्ज़ाम हॉस्टल वार्डन के लिए हम ICT के टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं, यानी कंप्यूटर के टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं कंप्यूटर के। तो अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आवे तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। आज अपना टॉपिक है कंप्यूटर मेमोरी। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। The computer memory is one of the most important elements in a computer system. It stores data and instructions required during the processing of data and output results. Storage may be required for a limited period of time, instantly or for an extended period of time. It also relates to many devices that are responsible for storing data for a temporary or a permanent basis. Memory hierarchy. The hierarchical arrangement of storage in current computer structures is called the memory hierarchy. The computer uses a hierarchy of memory that is organized in a manner to enable the fastest speed and largest capacity of memory. As shown in figure, the memory is characterized on the basis of two key factors: capacity and access time. स्पीड के हिसाब से मैग्नेटिक टेप, फिर मैग्नेटिक डिस्क, फिर मेन मेमोरी, फिर कैच, फिर रजिस्टर, फिर CPU। और साइज के हिसाब से देखें तो पहले CPU, फिर रजिस्टर, फिर कैच, फिर मेन मेमोरी, फिर मैग्नेटिक डिस्क, फिर मैग्नेटिक टेप। नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं पैरामीटर्स ऑफ मेमोरी। Some related parameters of memory are as follows. First, storage capacity. It is representative of the size of memory. The capacity of internal memory or main memory can be expressed in terms of a number of words or bytes. Second, access modes. A memory is comprised of various memory locations. The information from these memory locations can be accessed randomly, sequentially, and directly. And third, access time. The access time is the time required between the desired modes for a read or write operation till the data is made available or written at the desired location. Fourth, physical characteristics. In this respect, the devices can be categorized into four main categories as electronic, magnetic, mechanical, and optical. Fifth, permanence of storage. Its permanence is high for future use in magnetic materials. Types of memory. In general, the memory is classified into two categories as follows. First, primary memory or main memory. Second memory or auxiliary memory. First, primary memory. The memory unit that communicates directly with the CPU is called main memory or internal memory or primary memory. The primary memory allows the computer to store data for immediate manipulation and to keep track of what is currently being processed. It has limited storage capacity. Main memory is volatile in nature. It means that when the power is turned off, the contents of this memory are lost forever. Primary memory can be further classified in two categories which are as follows. First, random access memory RAM. It is also known as read-write memory that allows CPU to read as well as write data and instructions into it. RAM is used for the temporary storage of input data, output data, and intermediate results. There are two categories of RAM as follows. First, dynamic RAM, DRAM. It is made up of memory cells where each cell is composed of one capacitor and one transistor. DRAM must be refreshed continually to store information. DRAM is slower, less expensive, and occupies less space on the computer's motherboard. Second, static RAM. SRAM, it retains the data as long as power is provided to the memory chip. SRAM needs not to refreshed periodically. It uses multiple transistors for each memory cell. It does not use capacitor. SRAM is often used cache memory due to its high speed. SRAM is more expensive and faster than DRAM. Next, read-only memory (ROM). It is also known as non-volatile memory or permanent storage. It does not lose its contents when the power is switched off. ROM can have data and instructions written to it only one time. Once a ROM chip is programmed at the time of manufacturing, it cannot be reprogrammed or rewritten. So it has only read capacity, not a write. There are three categories of ROM as follows. First, programmable ROM, PROM. It is also non-volatile in nature. Once a PROM has been programmed, its contents can never be changed. It is one-time programmable device. These types of memories are found in video game consoles, mobile phones, implantable medical devices, and high-definition multimedia interfaces. Second, erasable programmable ROM, EPROM. It is similar to PROM, but it can be erased by exposure to strong ultraviolet light, then rewritten. So it is also known as ultraviolet erasable programmable ROM, UV EPROM. And third, electrically erasable programmable ROM, EEPR, EEPROM. It is similar to EPROM, but it can be erased electrically, then rewritten electrically, and the burning process is reversible by exposure to electric pulses. It is the most flexible type of ROM and is now commonly used for holding BIOS. Apart from above memory, there is also some other memory that helps to primary memory, which are as follows. Cache memory. It is a storage buffer that stores the data which is used more often temporarily and makes them available to CPU at a fast rate. Cache memory is a very high speed memory placed in between RAM and CPU. It increases the speed of processing. Cache memory is very expensive, so it is smaller in size. Generally, computers have cache memory of sizes those 256 KB to 2 MB. Flash memory. It is a kind of semiconductor based non-volatile rewritable memory used in a digital camera, mobile phone, printer, etc. Virtual memory. It is a technique that allows the execution of processes that are not completely in main memory. One major advantage of this scheme is that programs can be larger than main memory. Next, secondary memory or storage. This memory stores much larger amounts of data and information for extended periods of time. Data is secondary memory, cannot be processed directly by the CPU. It must first be copied into primary memory, for example RAM. It is the slower and cheaper form of memory. Secondary storage is used to store data and programs when they are not being processed. It is also non-volatile in nature. Due to this, the data remain in the secondary storage as long as it is not overwritten or deleted by the user. It is permanent storage. Secondary memory devices include as follows: magnetic storage. Magnetic storage is the manipulation of magnetic fields on a medium in order to record audio, video, or other data. It includes hard disk drive, floppy disk, and magnetic tape. Optical storage. Optical storage is any storage type in which data is written and read erase with a ledger. It includes CD, DVD, and Blu-ray disc. Solid state storage. Solid state storage is a type of storage technique that employs storage devices built using silicon microchip based storage architecture. It includes a pen, flash drive, memory card. Next, hard disk drive, HDD. It is a non-volatile and random access digital data storage device. Hard disk drive is a data storage device used for storing and retrieving digital information using rotating disks, platters coated with magnetic material. All programs of a computer are installed in hard disk. It is a fixed disk, for example, cannot be removed from the drive. Head arm. This is head arm. This is read write head. This is a spindle. This is platters. And total this is hard disk drive. It consists of a spindle that holds non-magnetic flat circular discs called platters, which hold the recorded data. Each platters requires two read-write heads that are used to write and read information from a platter. All the read and write heads are attached to a single axis arm so that they cannot move independently. Sectors and tracks and sectors. The information is recorded in bands. Each band of information is called a track. Each platter has the same number of tracks, and a track location that cuts across all platters is called a cylinder. The tracks are divided into pie-shaped sections known as sectors. Floppy disk, diskette. It is used to store data, but it can store a small amount of data, and it is slower to access than hard disks. Floppy disk rounds in shape and a thin plastic disk coated with iron oxide. Data is retrieved or recorded on the surface of the disk through a slot on the envelope. Floppy disk is removable from the drive. Floppy disk is available in three sizes: 8-inch, 5 size 1 by 4th inch, and 3 size 1 by 2 inch. Magnetic tape. These tapes are made of a plastic film type material coated with magnetic materials to store data permanently. Data can be read as well as recorded. It is usually 12.5 mm to 25 mm wide and 500 mm 500 m to 1200 m long. Magnetic tapes hold the maximum data which can be accessed sequentially. They are generally used to store backup data or that type of data which is not frequently used, or to transfer data from one system to another. Compact disc CD. It is the most popular and the least expensive type of optical disc. A CD is capable of being used as a data storage device along with storing of digital audio. The files are stored on this particular contiguous sectors. CD are categorized into three main types as follows. First, CD-ROM, compact disc read-only memory. Second, CD-R, compact disc recordable. Third, CD-RW, compact disc rewritable. Digital video disc DVD. DVD is also known as a super density disc SDD or a digital versatile disc DVD. It is an optical disc storage media. DVDs offer higher storage capacity than CDs while having the same dimensions. Depending upon the disc type, DVD can store several gigabytes of data, 4.7 GB to 17.08 GB. DVDs are primarily used to store music or 6 movies and can be played back on your television or computer too. And they are not rewritable media. DVDs came in three varieties as follows. First, DVD-ROM, digital video disc read-only memory. Second, DVD-R, DVD recordable. Third, DVD-RW, DVD rewritable. Tidbits, the rate at which data is written to disks or read from disk is called data transfer rate. Root directory, it is the main folder of disk. It contains information about all folders on the disk. Blu-ray disc, it is an optical disc storage medium designed to recapture the data normally in a DVD format. Blu-ray disc BD contains 25 GB 23.31 GB per layer space. The name Blu-ray disc refers to the blue laser used to read the disc, which allows information to be stored at a greater density than the longer wavelength red laser used in a DVD. Blu-ray can hold almost 5 times more data than a single layer DVD. The variations in the formats are as follows. First, BD-ROM read only. Second, BDR recordable. Third, BDRW rewritable. Fourth, BDRE rewritable. Pen thumb drive. Pen drive is also known as a flash drive. A flash drive is a data storage device that consists of flash memory, key memory with a portable USB universal serial bus interface. USB flash drives are typically removable, rewritable, and much smaller than a floppy disk. Today, flash drives are available in various storage capacities as 256 MB, 212 MB, 1 GB, 4 GB, 16 GB up to 64 GB. They are widely used as an easy and a small medium to transfer and store the information from the computers. Memory cards. These are the data storage devices in a chip shaped which can store the data in it. They are commonly used in many electronic devices, including digital cameras, mobile phones, laptop, computers. They are small, recordable, easily portable, and very lightweighted. Secondary memory devices and their storage method and capacity are as follows. Secondary memory devices storage method capacity. Floppy disk 5.2 5.25 inch magnetic 1.2 MB. Floppy disk 3.5 inch magnetic 1.44 MB. Floppy disk 8 inch magnetic 80 KB to 242 KB. CD-ROM optical 640 MB to 680 MB. DVD-ROM optical 4.7 GB to 17 GB. Pen drive solid state 1 GB to 512 GB. magnetic tape, magnetic up to 1 TB. 1 byte is equal to binary digit 0 or 1. 4 bytes यानी 1 nibble. 8 bytes यानी 1 byte is equal to 2 nibble. 1024 bytes is equal to 1 KB kilobytes. 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 MB megabytes. 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB gigabytes. 1024 GB is equal to 1 TB terabytes. 1024 TB is equal to 1 PB petabytes. 1024 PB is equal to 1 EB exabyte. 1024 EB is equal to 1 ZB zettabyte. 1024 GB ZB is equal to 1 YB yottabyte. 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte. 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geopobyte. Note, bit is the smallest memory measurement unit. Geopobyte is the highest memory measurement unit. A byte can represent 256 0 to 255 or 2 की power 8 distinct values. Now let's talk about a question bank. Question first, which is representative of the size of the memory? First, storage capacity. Second, access mode. Third, access time. Third, permanence storage. The correct answer is first, storage capacity. Next question, where is data saved permanently? The correct first, memory. Second, storage. Third, CPU. Fourth, printer. The correct answer is second, storage में. Next, where are programs and data to be used by the computer available? First, processing unit. Second, output. Third, storage. Fourth, input. The correct answer is third, storage. Next, how many types of memory does a computer have? First, 4. Second, 8. Third, 1. Fourth, 2. The correct answer is fourth, 2 types of. Next, primary storage is dash as compared to secondary storage. First, slow and inexpensive. Second, fast and inexpensive. Third, fast and expensive. Fourth, slow and expensive. The correct answer is 3, fast and expensive. Next, the key features of internal memory are: first, limited storage capacity. Second, temporary storage. Third, fast access and high cost. Fourth, all of the above. The correct answer is fourth, all of the above. Next question, internal storage is also called main. Next question, internal storage is also called main. First, memory. Second, area. Third, screen. Fourth, unit. The correct answer is first, memory. Next, the two kinds of main memory are: first, ROM and RAM. Second, primary and secondary. Third, floppy disk and hard disk. Fourth, direct and sequential. The correct answer is first, ROM and RAM. Next, which memory is used as a temporary memory? First, non-volatile memory. Second, volatile memory. Third, hard disk memory. Fourth, read-only memory. The correct answer is second, volatile memory. Next, which of the following is a correct definition of a volatile memory? First, it does retain its contents at high temperatures. Second, it is to be kept in air-tight boxes. Third, it loses its contents on failure of power supply. Fourth, it does not lose its contents on failure of power supply. The correct answer is 3. It loses its contents on failure of power supply. Next question, cache and main memory will not be able to hold their contents when the power is off. they are: first dynamic, second static, third volatile, fourth non-volatile, fifth faulty. The correct answer is 3, volatile. Next question: which of the following is not an access mode? First random, second sequential, third continuous, fourth direct. The correct answer is first random. Next, dash memory is a computer is where information is temporarily stored while it is being accessed or worked on by the processor. First, logical, second, secondary, third, ROM, fourth, RAM, fifth, cache. The correct answer is fourth, RAM. Next, why RAM is so why RAM is so called? First, because it is read and write memory. Second, because it is a volatile memory. Third, because it can be selected directly for storing and retrieving data and instructions of any location of chip. Fourth, because it is a non-volatile memory. And fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is 3, because it is a non-volatile memory. Next question: which of the following is not true about RAM? First, RAM is the same as hard disk storage. Second, RAM is the temporary storage area. Third, RAM is volatile. Fifth, for RAM is a primary memory. Fifth, other than those given as options. The correct answer is first, RAM is the same as hard disk storage. It is not true about RAM. Next question: virtual memory allocates hard disk space to supplement the immediate functional memory capacity of first ROM, second EPROM, third the registers, fourth extended memory, fifth RAM. The RAM. The correct answer is fifth RAM. Next question: information stored in RAM needs to be first check, second refresh periodically, third modify, fourth detecting errors, fifth none of these. The correct answer is second, refresh periodically. Next, storage that retains its data after the power is turned off is referred to as first volatile storage, second non-volatile storage, third sequential storage, fourth direct storage, fifth none of these. The correct answer is second, non-volatile storage. Next question: dynamic RAM consumes dash power and dash than static RAM. First, more and faster. Second, more and slower. Third, less slower. And fourth, less and faster. The correct answer is third, less and slower. Yani dynamic RAM consumes less power and slower than static RAM. Next question: which of the following memory chip is faster? First, there is no certainty. Second, DRAM. Third, SRAM. Fourth, RAM. And fifth, none of these. The correct answer is 3, SRAM. Next, the advantage of a DRAM is first, it is cheaper than SRAM. Second, it can store more than that of SRAM. Third, it is faster than SRAM. Fourth, data can be erased easily in it as compared to SRAM. The correct answer is first, it is cheaper than SRAM. Next, what is called the permanent memory built into your computer? First RAM, second ROM, third CPU, fourth CD-ROM. The correct answer is 2, ROM. Next, permanent instructions that the computer use when it is turned on and that cannot be changed by other instructions are contained in first ROM, second RAM, third ALU, fourth SRAM. The correct answer is first ROM. Next, which of the following is not a ROM? first PROM, second EPROM, third EEPROM, fourth EDPROM. The correct answer is fourth EDPROM. Next question. When you first turn on a computer, the CPU is present to execute instructions stored in the first RAM, second flash memory, third ROM, fourth CD-ROM, fifth ALU. The correct answer is 3 yani ROM. Next question. A disk content that is recorded at the time of manufacturer and that cannot be changed or erased by the user is first memory only, second write only, third once only, fourth run only, fifth read only. The correct answer is fifth read only. Next question. An area of a computer that temporarily holds data waiting to be processed is first CPU, second memory, third storage, fourth file. The correct answer is second memory. Next, the difference between memory and storage is that memory is dash and storage is dash. First temporary and permanent, second permanent temporary, third slow and fast, fourth non-volatile or volatile, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is first temporary and permanent. Yani the difference between memory and storage is that memory is temporary and storage is permanent. Next question. Cache memory acts between first CPU and RAM, second RAM and ROM, third CPU and hard disk, fourth all of these. The correct answer is first CPU and RAM. Next, the most frequently used instructions of a computer program are likely to be fetched from first the hard disk, second cache memory, third RAM, fourth registers. The correct answer is second cache memory. Next, which of the following is the high-speed memory which compensates the gap in speeds of a processor and main memory? First cache, second PROM, third EPROM, fourth SRAM, SRAM, fifth none of these. The correct answer is first cache. Next, dash acts as a temporary high-speed holding area between the memory and the CPU, and thereby improving processing capacities. First ROM, second RAM, third temporary memory, fourth cache memory, fifth flash memory. The correct answer is fourth cache memory. Next, which of the following statements are true? First, cache memories are bigger than RAM. Second, cache memories are smaller than RAM. Third, ROM are faster than RAM. Fourth, information in ROM can be written by users. Fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is second, cache memories are smaller than RAM. Next question. Dash is having more temporary addresses than are physically available. First, virtual memory. Second, system software. Third, application software. Fourth, RAM. Fifth, vertical memory. The correct answer is first, virtual memory. Next, virtual memory is first an extremely large main memory, second an extremely large secondary memory, third an illusion of extremely large main memory, fourth a type of memory used in supercomputers, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is third an illusion of extremely large main memory. Next, dash is the ability of a device to jump directly to the requested data. First, sequential access, second, random access, third, quick access, fourth, all of the above, fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is second, yani random access. Next, the dash is the amount of data that a storage device can move from the storage to the computer per second. First, data migration rate. Second, data digitizing rate. Third, data transfer rate. Fourth, data access rate. Fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is second, data digitizing rate. Next, the main directory of a disk is called the dash directory. First, network. Second, folder. Third, root. Fourth, other than those given as options. Fifth, program. The correct answer is third, root. Next, the dash indicates how much data a particular storage medium can hold. First, storage. Second, access. Third, capacity. Fourth, memory. Fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is 3, capacity. Next, what is the main folder on a storage device? First, root directory. Second, interface. Third, device driver. Fourth, platform. Fifth, main directory. The correct answer is first, root directory. Next question, which of the following computers memory is characterized by low cost per bit stored? First, primary. Second, secondary. Third, hard disk. Fourth, all of these. The correct answer is second, yani secondary. Next question, secondary storage. First, does not require constant power. Second, does not magnetic media. Third, consists of 4 main types of devices. Fourth, does not store information for later retrieval. The correct answer is first, does not require constant power. Next, which of the following is not used as secondary storage? First, semiconductor memory. Second, magnetic disk. Third, magnetic drums. Fourth, magnetic tapes. The correct answer is first, semiconductor memory. Next, the secondary storage devices can only store data but they cannot perform. First, arithmetic operations. Second, logic operations. Third, fetch operations. Fourth, all of the above. The correct answer is 4, yani all of the above. Next, where do you save the data that your data will remain intact even when the computer is turned off? First, RAM. Second, motherboard. Third, secondary storage device. Fourth, primary storage device. The correct answer is 3, yani secondary storage device. Next, the term dash refers to data storage systems that make it possible for a computer or electronic device to store and retrieve data. First, retrieval technology. Second, input technology. Third, output technology. Fourth, storage technology. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is fourth, storage technology. Next, the storage device used to compensate for the difference in rates of flow of data from one device to another is termed as first, chip. Second, channel. Third, floppy. Fourth, call. Fifth, buffer. The correct answer is fifth, buffer. Next question, which of the following is the magnetic storage device? First, hard disk. Second, compact disk. Third, audio tapes. Fourth, all of these. The correct answer is first, hard disk. Next, the concentric circles on the floppy disk are further divided into first, tracks. Second, sectors. Third, cylinders. Fourth, circles. The correct answer is second, sectors. Next, a track location that cuts across all plateaus is called a first, cylinder. Second, spindle. Third, diskette. Fourth, plateaus. The correct answer is first, cylinders. Next, the primary device that a computer uses to store information is first, TV. Second, storehouse. Third, desk. Fourth, hard drive. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is fourth, yani hard drive. Next, hard disk devices are considered storage. Considered as storage. First, place. Second, temporary. Third, worthless. Fourth, non-volatile. Fifth, non-permanent. The correct answer is fourth, non-volatile. Next, the thick, rigid metal plotters that are capable of retrieving information at a high rate of speed or known as first hard disks, second SAN, third soft disks, fourth flash memory, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is first hard disk. Next, hard drive is used to store first volatile data, second non-volatile data, third permanent data, fourth temporary data, fifth intermediate data. The correct answer is 3 yani permanent data. Next, the hard drive is normally located first next to the printer, second plugged into the back of the computer, third underneath the monitor, fourth on top of the CD-ROM, fifth inside the system base unit. The correct answer is fifth, inside the system base unit. Next question, data on a floppy disk is recorded in rings called first sectors, second ringers, third rounders, fourth tracks. The correct answer is fourth, yani tracks. Next, which of the following is are example of magnetic Which of the following is are examples of magnetic storage media? First, zip disk, second CD-ROM, third floppy disk, fourth DVD, and fifth both first and third. The correct answer is fifth, both first and third, zip disk and floppy disk. Next question, floppy disks are organized as first files, second heads and folders, third tracks and sectors, fourth all of these, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is 3 yani tracks and sectors. Next, the capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk is first 1.40 MB, second 1.44 GB, third 1.40 GB, fourth 1.45 MB, and fifth 1.44 MB. The correct answer is fifth 1.44 MB. Next question, the most common storage device for the personal computer is the first floppy disk, second USB personal computer, third mainframe, fourth a laptop, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is first floppy disk. Next, which of the following has the smallest storage capacity? First zip disk, second hard disk, third floppy disk, fourth data cartridges, fifth CD. The correct answer is 3 yani floppy disk. Next, FDD stands for first floppy drive detector, second floppy drive demodulator, third floppy disk drive, fourth floppy demodulator disk, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is third floppy disk drive. Next, dash is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. First tracking, second formatting, and third crashing, fourth allotting, fifth none of these. The correct answer is 3 formatting. Next, data on a floppy disk was recorded in rings called first flip, second ringers, third rounders, fourth fields, fifth segments. The correct answer is fifth segments. Next, tape drive provides dash access to data. First timely, second sporadic, third random, fourth sequential. The correct answer is fourth sequential. Next, A magnetic tape is not practical for applications where data must be quickly recalled because the tape is first a random access medium, second a sequential access medium, third a read-only medium, fourth fragile and easily damaged, fifth an expensive storage medium. The correct answer is second, a sequential access medium. Next, which of the following storage media provides sequential access only? First, floppy disk, second, magnetic disk, third, magnetic tape, fourth, optical disk, fifth, none of these. The correct answer is fourth, optical disk. Next, which of the following can hold maximum data? First, optical disk, third, floppy disk, three, magnetic disk, fourth, magnetic tape. The correct answer is fourth, magnetic tape. Next, which storage device is mounted on rails? First, floppy disk, third, second, hard disk, third, magnetic tape, fourth, CD-ROM. The correct answer is three, magnetic tapes. Next, which of the following storage devices can be used for storing data backup, large data backup? First, floppy disk, second, hard disk, third, magnetic tape, fourth, all of these. The correct answer is first, floppy disk. Next, on a CD-RW you can first read and write information, second, only read information, fourth, read write information, fourth, read write and rewrite information. The correct answer is fourth, read write and rewrite information. Next, which of the following are advantages of a CD-ROM as a storage media? First, CD-ROM is an inexpensive way to store a large amount of data and information. Second, CD-ROM disks retrieve data and information more quickly than magnetic disks. Third, CD-ROM makes less errors than magnetic media. Fourth, all of the above. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is first, CD-ROM is an inexpensive way to store large amount of data and information. Next question, which media has the ability to have data information stored written on them by users more than once? First, CD-R disks, second, CD-RW disks, third, zip disks, fourth, optical disks, fifth, CD-RW disks and zip disks. The correct answer is second, CD-RW disks. Next, what is the difference between a CD-ROM and CD-RW? First, they are the same, just two different terms used by different manufacturers. Second, a CD-ROM can be written to and a CD-RW cannot. Third, other than those given as options. Fourth, a CD-ROM holds more information than a CD-RW. Fifth, a CD-RW can be written to be can be written to, but CD-ROM can only be read from. The correct answer is fifth, a CD-RW can be written to, but a CD-ROM can only be read from. Next question, compact disk that can store approximately 650 to 800 MB of data or 74 to 80 minute of music are first, zip disks, second, CD-ROM, third, video cards, fourth, pressing machines, fifth, floppy diskettes. The correct answer is second, CD-ROM. Next, the CD-ROM drive is used to first, play compact discs, second, play music, third, install software, fourth, control digital information, fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is first, play compact discs. Next, a flat metallic disc that contains a large amount of permanently stored information read optically is called a first, monitor, second, ELU, third, CD-ROM, fourth, RAM, fifth, none of these. The correct answer is 3. CD-ROM. Next, CD-ROM is an example of first input device, second output device, third both input and output, fourth memory device, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is fourth memory device. Next, which of the following has the largest storage capacity for removable media? First, floppy disk, second, CD-ROM, third, DVD, fourth, partitioned space. The correct answer is third, DVD. Next, which of the Next, which of the following is an example of a optical disc? First, digital versatile disc. Second, magnetic discs. Third, memory discs. Fourth, data bus discs. Fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is first, digital versatile disc. Next, DVD refers to first, digital video developer. Second, digital video device. Third, digital video disc. Fourth, none of the above. The correct answer is third, digital video disc. Next, a DVD is an example of an first optical device, second output device, third hard disk, fourth solid state storage device, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is first optical device. Next, which of the following discs can be read only? First, DVD-R, second DVD-ROM, and third DVR RW, fourth CD-R, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is second DVD-ROM. Next, these memories are used in many electronic devices including digital camera, mobile phones, etc. First, memory card, second, pen drive, third, Blu-ray, fourth, magnetic tape. The correct answer is first, memory card. Next, which is not a storage device? First, floppy disk, second, printer, third, DVD, fourth, hard disk, fifth, CD. The correct answer is second, printer. Next, which of the following is not an example of a secondary storage device? First, CD, second, floppy, third, hard disk, fourth, RAM. The correct answer is fourth, RAM. Next, the size of any word number in a computer is measured in first, bits, second, bytes, third, meter, fourth, liter. The correct answer is first, bits. Next question. The term bit is short for first, megabytes, second, binary language, third, binary digit, fourth, binary number, fifth, none of these. The correct answer is third, binary digit. Next, a bit refers to first, a form of storage, second, a value equal to a kilobyte, third, a value equal to megabyte, fourth, the smallest unit of digital information, and fifth, the same things as a pixel. The correct answer is fourth, the smallest unit of digital information. Next, which among the following is another name for a group of 4 bits? First, nibble, second, bytes, third, kilobytes, fourth, megabytes, and fifth, petabytes. The correct answer is first, nibble. Next, how many bits make a half byte? First, second, 4, third, 6, fourth, 8, fifth, none of these. The correct answer is second, yani 4. 4 bits make a half byte. Next, which of the following is the smallest measure of storage? First, terabyte, second, gigabyte, third, kilobyte, fourth, megabyte, and fifth, byte. The correct answer is second and fifth, byte. Next, a byte can represent any number between 0 and first, second, 255, third, 256, fourth, 1024, and fifth, 1025. The correct answer is second, 255. And next, a byte is a collection of first, 4 bits, second, 6 bits, third, 8 bits, for 10 bits, fifth, 12 bits. The correct answer is 3 यानी 8 bits. Next, a collection of 8 binary digit 0 and or 1 is in a string format is known as first bit, second byte, third kilobyte, fourth kilobit. The correct answer is 3 kilobyte. Next, dash are used to measure both computer memory, RAM, and storage capacity of a floppy disk, CD-ROM, drives, and hard drives. First bytes, second bits, third octal numbers, four hexadecimal numbers, fifth binary numbers. The correct answer is second bits. Next question. How many bits are equal to 1 byte? First 8, second 6, third 7, fourth 2. The correct answer is first 8. Next, instructions and memory address are represented by first character code, second binary codes, third binary word, fourth parity bit, fifth none of these. The correct answer is second binary codes. Next, the computer abbreviation KB usually means first key block, second kernel boot, third key byte, fourth cat bit, fifth kilobyte. The correct answer is fifth kilobyte. Next, kilobytes equal to how many bytes? First 1000, second 1035, third 100, fourth 1008, fifth 1024. The correct answer is fifth 1024 bytes. Next, 100 bytes represent a first megabyte, second gigabyte, third kilobyte, fourth terabyte. The correct answer is 3 kilobyte. Next, which of the following statements is valid? First, 1 KB is equal to 1024 bits. Second, 1 MB is equal to 2048 bits. 1 MB is equal to 1000 kilobytes. 1 KB is equal fourth, 1 KB is equal to 1000 bytes. And fifth, 1 MB is equal to 1024 kilobytes. The correct answer is fifth, 1 MB is equal to 1024 kilobytes. Next question. A dash is approximately a million bytes. First gigabytes, second kilobytes, third megabytes, fourth terabytes, fifth none of these. The correct answer is 3 megabytes. Next, what does the computer abbreviation MB used for? First megabit, second million bytes, third megabytes, fourth million bit, fifth microbytes. The correct answer is third megabytes. Next, the amount of memory RAM or ROM is measured in first bytes, second bits, third megabytes, fourth megabits, fifth hertz. The correct answer is third megabytes. Next question. How many kilobytes make a megabyte? First 128, second 1024, third 256, fourth 512, fifth 64. The correct answer is second, yani 1024. Next, a dash is approximately 1 billion bytes. First kilobyte, second bit, third gigabyte, fourth megabytes, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is 3 gigabytes. Next, the term gigabytes refers to first 1024 bytes, second 1024 kilobytes, third 1024 megabytes, fourth 1024 gigabytes, and fifth none of the above. The correct answer is 3 1024 megabytes. Next, which of the following is the largest unit of storage? First GB, second KB, third MB, fourth TB, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is fourth TB. Next question. Which of the following is a correct sequence of a smallest to largest unit of storage? First, petabyte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. Second, kilobyte, megabyte, terabyte, petabyte, gigabyte. Third, megabyte, terabyte, gigabyte, kilobyte, petabyte. Fourth, kilobyte, megabyte, petabyte, terabyte, gigabyte. Fifth, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte. The correct answer is fifth, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte. Next question. Dash HDD is a technology where the conventional disk drive is combined with non-volatile flash memory of typical 128 MB or more to catch data during normal usage. First, hyper uh, hyper hard disk drive. Second, hybrid hard disk drive. Third, hybrid helium disk drive. Fourth, hyper helium disk drive. The correct answer is second, hybrid hard disk drive. दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें।